graders, lesson 23 in math is the defining equation of a line. So it says find the x and y intercepts for the following equations. Remember, the x-intercept is whatever x is when y is 0, and the y-intercept is whatever y equals when x is 0. So we plug in 0 for y, we get 9x equals 18. 18 divided by 9 is 2. And then opposite is 18 divided by 3 is 6. So our intercepts are 2 and 6. So it says rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. Oops. Ignore the rewrite it in slope-intercept form. My apologies. We're going to graph both of these equations. So 9x plus 3y equals 18. Y equals negative 3x plus 6. So they're graphed. Promise. So what do you notice? Well, both equations are the same line, okay? Because one is behind the other one. And that might not be the easiest thing to tell in the picture, but I promise that's how it is. So how is that? First, we're going to rewrite this equation in standard form. So we're going to go to the whiteboard. All right. Oops. Let's pick a different color. We're going to use purple today, just because I feel like it. All right. So rewriting y equals negative 3x plus 6 in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. Right? So we're going to add 3x. So 3x plus a pretend 1y equals 6. So that's in standard form, okay? Now we'll go back here to our thing. Okay, we did that. So now we're going to identify the constants, okay? So in 3x plus 1y equals 6, and 9x plus 18y equals 21. So the constants are the letters, the capital letters, A, B, and C. So here it's 3, 1, 9, 6, then 9, 18, and 21. Okay? So we identify the constants. So now, if we put them over each other, the A's and the A's and the B's and the B's and the C's and the C's, we should get the same thing. Right? So we're going to do 9 over 3 equals 18 over, hold on, I think I did something wrong. I did. Sorry, guys. This is 3y. This is 18. Okay. So 3 over 1 equals 18 over 6. Now we simplify. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So they all equal 3. Each fraction equals to 3, okay? So next, we're going to write 3 equations whose graphs are the same as the line as the equation 3x plus 2y equals 7. So the way we're going to do that is by using the same constant, so the same number, to multiply times them. Okay? So our line, our equation for negative 3x plus 2y equals 7, right? Now let's just try 3 to start with. So 3 times negative 3, negative 9x plus hold on. Okay, my apologies. It should be 3x plus 2y equals 7. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Now if we do that constants thing, we do 9 over 3 equals 6 over 2 equals 21 over 7. Now, if we use the constant of 3, all these should simplify to 3, which they do. Okay, let's try a different one. Let's do 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. Again, 6 over 3, 4 over 2, 14 over 7, all equal 2. All right, last one. We're going to multiply by 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 times 3 is going to be 1.5x, or 3/2, plus y. Okay, equals 3.5, or 7/2. So now, again, we simplify. 1.5 over 3. Oops, sorry, backwards. 3 over 1.5. 2 over 1. And my apologies, I did write it wrong. So 1.5 over 3. 1 over 2. 3.5 over 7. Now the simplest one is here. This is already 1/2. But that is what they all will equal. Okay, now let's go back again. So those are our 3 equations. So when 2 equations are written in standard form, so that ax plus by equals c, and then since we can't have 2 of the same, we have a'(x) plus b'(y) equals c'. They define the same line when a' over a equals b' over b, which equals c' over c. So the second equation that you make is always going to be the one that's on the top, okay? So now just one more question. So will the following pairs of equations be the same line? So we're going to check them with that constant thing. So move to a new area here. So the first group of equations, 4x plus 2y equals 9, x plus 2y equals 4. So it doesn't really matter in this case which one goes on top. I'm going to do the 4. So 4 over 1 equals 2 over 2 equals 9 over 4. Now 4 over 1 is going to be 4. 2 over 2 is going to be 1. And 9 over 4 is 9 over 4. So that is not equal. So they will not be the same line. Okay? Now our last one. 2x plus 3y equals 6. 6x plus 9y equals 18. Okay? So 2 over 6, 3 over 9, 6 over 18. 2 over 6 is 1/3. 3 over 9 is 1/3. 6 over 18, 1/3. So these two equations will be the same line. Okay? So that's it for today. Complete the modal questions for lesson 23. There will be a couple where you might have to rewrite it in standard form. Otherwise, you might have to find the constant. So we did 3 and we had half and different things like that. Or finally, you might have to say if 2 equations would be the same line. Please let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, have a wonderful day.